The morning is here, and with every new beginning, your heart is given another chance to bloom. My time with you may be brief, but wherever you are at, this blessing is for you. Today, you can heal again. Today, you can feel again. Today, you can forgive. And mostly, you can love. Time does not stop, but I promise you, the pain will not stay forever. Just open your heart to a smile. Open your heart to a moment of kindness. Open your heart to the beauty that still remains. Take a breath. Feel the morning light upon your soul. Today is a new beginning. And today, the morning is for you.